guys, welcome to our beautiful home. As you can see, the red cabros are giving, totally giving. Just look at this. And a very beautiful home. I love it. Yeah, so today we are trying to water this pemba grass because the weather is not giving. It's too hot. The sun is too hot. We are using this pipe to water the grass. They call it pemba grass, and it is coming up very well. I like it. I love it. Let me show you something. So during Christmas, this was our Christmas tree. I took some branches over here and came up with a very beautiful Christmas tree, and we enjoyed our Christmas. Yes. Look at that beautiful place. Yeah, this is the entrance. The road is just a few meters away. Yeah. And my camera keeps on bringing this dark mode. I'll check up on the settings. Yes. That is our old home. But we love it despite the situation. And our toilet is right there. Our outside toilet right there. This is my beautiful pagal. Yes. And we have our cows right there. So guys, this is like a small baby. She really likes playing outside with the soil. Let me show you. Look at how busy she is. Totally busy. She has every item, kitchen items, and she loves playing with the soil. Bye. So let me show you the back side of the home. That doesn't look that good. In most homes you find that the backyard things are just placed anyhow. So we use this machine to cut the grass for the cows. Yes. So a few weeks back, I came up with this kind of sign. Actually, I did it myself, but it backfired. I was told that I should have used the red soil instead of the clay soil, because it definitely cracked, totally cracked. So I was trying to come up with a outdoor place. We always use it at hard times. You see how our place is green? This place is cool. The place is very nice. Yes, and these are our cows, guys. We have quite a number of them. We have also the small ones, the calves. I think there are 3, and a few bigger ones. So my daughter is trying to feed the cow, but this cow is not feeling well. She has some health challenges, but all will be well. So let me show you the We have a very nice place where the cows feed. It's an improvised way of feeding the cows. Very firm. We have some maize for the cows, but the rains were not that good, so most of the maize dried up. Like this part, we have nothing, so we were trying to water that part over there. But we have also some sunflowers, not that many. We also have our kitchen garden, but we are not really serious about this place. But we planted a few. We need to pluck them and plant afresh. We had some kales, spinach, cabbages, and some onions. We call this mchicha, terere. Yeah, but we are going to do something with but we have dried up. We have also some eggplants. Eggplants, my friend. They're right here. But we harvested some right here, guys. Yeah. So we also have another part of the shamba. We have also more maize and more and more. If the rains were really consistent, we would have really harvested. You see all that? Tungepata mavuno kweli. But we thank God for everything. For his provision, we never lack. Yeah, we are grateful. And that's it, guys. Utamu wa kuishi ushago. Countryside manenos. Bye, guys.